Lesson 9. Have and have got. 1. For things you own or have, possession. When talking about your car, your family, or even a headache, have and have got mean exactly the same thing. You can use whichever sounds better for you. Present. I have a new phone, or I've got a new phone. Continuous. Never use ing here. You don't say I am having a car. Past. Always use had. Don't use got for the past. I had long hair when I was a kid. 2. For actions and experiences. When you are doing something, like eating, washing, or having a party, we usually do not use got. Correct. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. He is having a shower. Incorrect. I have got breakfast, or he is having got a shower. Common phrases. Have a coffee. Have a holiday. Have a chat. Have a baby. Have a look. 3. Questions and negatives. There are two main ways to ask or say no. Both are very common. Using do. Do you have a pen? I don't have time. Using got. Have you got a pen? I haven't got time. Past tense. Always use did. Did you have a car back then? Not had you a car? Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!